closer. I'm gonna tell you a secret. I don't like kale salad, but I like this kale salad. This is a copycat recipe from one of our favorite Italian restaurants called North Italia. Let me show you how I made it. Big bowl of chopped kale. Take the stems out. You can buy it pre-chopped or chop it yourself. Homemade toasted breadcrumbs. About that much. This is a package of uncured pancetta. Pancetta is similar to bacon. I'm gonna cook that in the same skillet I just used to toast the breadcrumbs. 4 ounces of pancetta. While my pancetta is cooking, I'm gonna chop up an apple. It's more sliced than chopped. So you want them to be kind of like this, not thick. Okay, just wash these grapes and I'm going to slice them in half and throw them in the. I'm not patting the oil off of it, but I'm not putting the oil in, you know, I'm just trying to get the meat. There, so you can see the oil is still in the pan. This is pecorino cheese. I'm not gonna grate it, I'm gonna chop it into little cubes. So we're talking little cubes like this size. You don't need a ton of cheese because the dressing is a parmesan vinaigrette, so there's a little bit of cheese in the dressing as well. Here's what we got so far. I'm gonna add some chopped pistachios. Since I've already got the dirty pan from the pancetta, I'm gonna just throw them in there. About a half a cup. Now we'll make the dressing. To make the parmesan vinaigrette, start with the juice of 2 lemons, then add 2 cloves of minced garlic, about a tablespoon or 2 of Dijon, a half a cup of olive oil, and whisk everything together. Then whisk in about a 1/4 cup of grated parmesan cheese.